And Smita Sabharwal, an IAS officer from the Telangana cadre, received a notice from the police for reposting an AI-generated image of that 400-acre of plot next to the University of Hyderabad, which is under that huge controversy. She posted this video in which there seems to be earth-moving equipment alongside 2 deer and a peacock. The Telangana government's proposal to auction that land and make it into an IT hub has sparked protests led by the students who have raised concerns regarding the ecological balance and preservation in the area. My colleague Umar Sudhir has the details.
So the Telangana government had in fact filed cases on whoever had posted AI-generated, what they called as fake images on the issue of Kancha Gachibowli, and they had said that they're going to be taking action against them because this is misinformation that is being spread. And they had even said, the State Minister, Mr. Sridhar Babu, even said that the Prime Minister had been misled by his own cabinet colleagues as well on this particular issue. And it is in that context that they had named not just several of the activists and their political opponents, but they had also named Union Minister Mr. Kishan Reddy for having posted an image that was AI generated, and subsequently Kishan Reddy had in fact deleted that particular image that seemed to suggest that animals are running helter-skelter even as JBCs are in operation in the background. So while that was an AI generated image, the notice was also issued to Smita Sabharwal, who happens to be the Tourism Secretary in Telangana, and she had posted an image, in fact a Ghibli image regarding this issue by another handle, and she had just reposted it without any comment. And we are told that the notice was issued more than, what should I say, at least 4 or 5 days ago, and then she was reissued a notice, and she's been asked to come and present what kind of evidence she had and why she had posted that kind of an image. This has been done by the Gachibowli Police. But what I would think the government may consider as an act of defiance by this officer is because subsequently she has not only posted certain comments made by the Live Law India on this issue from the Supreme Court proceedings, she has also retweeted a couple of other handles, interestingly, of Revati tweets, who was one of those 2 women journalists who were arrested by the Telangana government, and she has posted her, reposted or retweeted her post on X, where she's talking about free speech Telangana model and talking about police having booked a case against Smita Sabharwal. She's also posted and retweeted another handle which had raised this question about the freedom of speech in Telangana and questioning the Chief Minister on this particular issue. So how this will play out is something which would be very interesting to watch, because Smita Sabharwal is someone who is leading from the front for the Miss World contest summit that the Telangana government is planning, and she has been at the forefront of it. At this time, will the government effect any kind of changes? Because we are even otherwise expecting a huge bureaucratic reshuffle to happen in Telangana in the first week of May. How the IAS officer is going to respond to this is something that one must wait and watch, because 2 things are there here. One, about the service rules. Do they specifically prohibit any officer from retweeting content or posting any content on social media? Second, the rule of code of conduct for bureaucrats about how they must behave, and they must take the government line or can they take an opposing viewpoint, is something that would come up for debate.